Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be about my Mark Buehrle collection. As a lot of you might know, I'm a White Sox fan and I'm a Mark Buehrle super collector. I don't have a lot of memorabilia of his. I actually just started buying some of his memorabilia in the past few months. Nothing major. But what I wanted to share with you guys today is that I've been storing a lot of my semi-rigids. That's what I keep my Mark Buehrles in. All my semi-rigids have been in these boxes right here, these 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how I organize these is that because of all the parallels from the refractors and the different colors, Bowman and Topps get their own box. So this box right here is just Bowman and Topps cards of Buehrle. Starting here, I have starting in, I think, 2000, 2001. It goes through 2005. Come to here, continue 2005. Then you go to 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 through 16 is here. So 2000 through 2005, 2005 through 2009, 2010 through 2016. Then over here, I have all the minis together. And I have, actually I do have, oh no, these are going to be autos and relic autos. So all these are auto. I did have some of these slabbed, but I broke them out because I didn't want to take up too much space. And he's also has, there's also his printing plates, this box. And then in here is doubles. All of those are relics, and those are relics. And as you can see here, I have more vault boxes. I actually bought these on Amazon last week and they arrived. So what I'm going to be doing today is putting, by the way, this is one box. This goes on top. This is the bottom. Normally, these cards, this would be empty and then the box goes on, flip over and it's the top. So all of these, and these, plus these are all finest cards. I need these, and I need these 3 boxes and this box, and this stack of finest to fit in these 2 vault boxes. If they don't, then I'll have to buy some more. But that's my plan. So I'm getting excited to get more organized. You might have heard George KBO Collections doing the same thing. I need to buy some more boxes, normal cardboard boxes for some sets because I want to get more organized as well. But that's what I'm going to be doing today, is putting all of these semi-rigids in these that are currently in these card saver boxes into the vault boxes. So, yeah, hopefully everything fits. Cross your fingers. Thanks a lot, guys.